We are in District 7.
Nice.
I like all your decoration. It's 15 mil? Yeah. It's feel a bit cozier.
Lots of the exit.
Gym, all of that. Is it all included?
Yeah.
But not right in the city centre.
The newest building here.
Oh my god, I didn't even look at this side.
Sauna room.
Waterfall feature as well. This building feels a lot more local. Oh, there's a tank. They do have a nice view on the rooftop. Hey guys. So, we are in Ho Chi Minh City.
Yes.
It's very late actually. 7 o'clock, but it's gonna be our first apartment hunting.
Yeah, we're gonna view some places today.
Yeah, we have 5 places in District 7 today, and we're gonna give you all of them. Yeah. I said it's a bit late because the estate agent said that most of the people are at work, so this is the only time they can get us in today. So let's get there.
Let's have a look.
I feel like it's more vibrant at night. Wow.
So big.
Yeah, that's it. Right, so we are in District 7 at the moment. So we're going to view 3 apartments in Sky 89 and 2 in River Panorama, which
It feels so weird doing it at night, isn't it?
yeah, that's our first time viewing any sort of apartment at night time. It's just so weird. It's like it feels a bit dodgy.
Yeah.
But the estate agent seems very, very nice.
Yeah,
She
really
answered all the
friendly.
questions, and I'm excited to see it.
Yeah. Can't wait to see you guys.
Love your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
You sure it's okay for me to bring you? Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you can. It's behind the mirror, sorry. Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Where do you buy the light?
That's quite spacious, isn't it?
Is it okay if we can go to the bathroom? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it's spacious.
It's spacious.
I think it's on a 2-bed, 2-bath.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
nice.
I like all your decoration. Looks so nice.
No, so nice.
Thank you. It's your second bedroom.
Nice.
It's a window there.
Yeah.
And this is the main bathroom. Oh,
Yeah, bedroom, second room.
okay. Yeah, yes.
Maybe the noise is from the construction
Okay.
of the parking
But
lot.
here inside, there's no other building gonna build up.
They
isn't it?
plan to have a building, but now because the paperwork is not work.
Okay.
You know, the government they cancel the
Permission.
paperwork.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Oh, it's the same. Oh, like a neon.
Like your decoration because our home is the same decoration too.
Yeah.
Like at home, you know?
Yeah,
You
exactly.
like funky.
So there's no construction, but the front there they built like a temporary parking lot because they can't get a planning permission. Previous one was 15 mil.
Yeah.
So we are all in the same building really, Sky 89.
And that one was 2 bedroom.
Yeah, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 15 mil. I think this one also similar. Is it okay to walk around?
Yes.
Thank you so much. It's feel a bit cozier.
This is the one.
Yeah. Could I go in? Thank you. Oh, they got a nice view here.
Really that cozy.
Yeah, it's cozy, isn't it?
Oh, the bathrooms is there.
Nice. It feels the same, but it's different, isn't it? Go into your bedroom. Oh, like wardrobe and that. Got a lot of storage, you know?
Yeah, it's a lot of storage.
I don't think this one can see out much.
Blocking the sunrise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, because I think like, oh, what is
So
the
that's
view
why
there?
it's dark, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Also in the
Oh, that's cute.
We've got a cat.
Yeah, we have a cat. Yeah.
first one view. It blocks for the exit. Yeah.
Oh,
The inside.
that's cool. Thank you. Oh yeah, same view but higher.
Yeah.
That's a landmark. 81 view.
Oh wow.
Yeah. The building amenity, like the swimming pool, the gym, all of that. Is it all included?
Yeah.
Is it all free?
Include in the management fee.
Yeah. Okay, that's
There's a
perfect.
lot of facilities here. Like,
Yeah, we saw. That's why we like this place.
if you are a resident here, you rent an
Okay.
apartment, you have a side home app. for the resident like you. Yeah,
Oh.
like a cinema room,
Oh, okay.
karaoke room.
Oh, you can book it
You can book
basically.
it.
book it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
wow,
that's
that's
amazing.
cool.
The gym is free. You don't have to book,
Perfect.
but you just have to book the barbecue,
Okay.
the karaoke, and the cinema room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh, that's
lovely,
sweet.
really. This is nice.
This is the newest building here, and have fully facilities.
Okay.
All the building here also have a swimming pool, but no gym.
Okay.
But this
This
building
one
has
is
gym.
it's nice. We like it. So most of these stuff that the owner she'll be taking it all out. So the only furniture that stay in.
This furniture is staying, but maybe let me ask her.
We worry about this.
Yes, I know about this one.
What deposit and stuff? How much deposit?
2 month deposit and
Yeah?
1 month in advance,
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
like the rules of all the apartment here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that the washer and dryer, or is it just a washer? Yeah, washer and dryer. That's perfect.
I also have
Right.
dryer.
That's fine. Everything, we love it here. So the one we just viewed now is 15 mil. So the tenant's actually the owner as well. Not bad at all. And
Yeah.
very similar but very different. The layout.
Just very cozy.
Yes. So we are going to another one now. This one is listed at 17 mil, 2 bed, 2 barbershop. But I think with better view and higher floor. Well,
It's a bit higher.
yeah.
So.
I do love the corridor though. Yeah, the hallway. It's really wide. Yeah, and beautiful views at night. You're so cringe. I still find it weird that we're viewing at night time.
I know. Feels a bit weird.
It's cool though. We get to see the views and the lights at night. Tomorrow maybe we can drive around
I think
and
so.
see as well. The estate agent themselves really, really nice people as well. So they said they're gonna help out with a lot of things.
I liked how wide the door is.
Yes. The actual apartment though, on the picture I feel like it was a bit bigger.
Yes.
So when in there it feels slightly more smaller. But the way that everyone decorated is very well placed.
Yeah.
Yeah, the layout is very
Also,
nice and
got to bear in
cozy.
mind that we were in a duplex
Yes.
apartment before.
Yes. So apartment that you saw in the previous video, that was huge.
Yes.
So nothing compared to that. But we do looking for like a home feel.
Just
so.
more cozy.
Yeah, exactly. Right, so we're gonna go and view the facility here. In this building here, you do get a really, really massive infinity pool and barbecue section, also gym as well. Yeah, even karaoke room, and also like a function room as well.
Did you say film? Like cinema room?
Cinema room,
Yeah.
yes. And there's an app as well you can book on it, and
And you can hire it for the day if you want.
yeah,
So
exactly.
imagine like having parties. That would be
Yeah.
really cool.
Literally. Also, we are in District 7, but not right in the city centre. But it's not far at all because we literally drove on our bike here and it's not too bad.
And where you come out, there's quite a lot of stuff there
Yes.
anyway, so you don't really feel like you're out of place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite cool.
Much easier than where we were staying in Hanoi, so it's
We
fine.
had only latte more.
Literally.
That's why I became a shopaholic.
Oh wow. Look at that. So this is like an open floor. So that's the cardio room.
To chill.
Oh wow, that's nice.
We will check the gym and then we go upstairs.
I think this one is weight. Ah, it's a weight room.
Nice.
What, do you see the view of that gym?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we get the skyline view for the gym. Yeah?
Morning, but now cannot see it.
I like this bit.
Yeah.
This bit is so nice. So it's like half a floor up. Ah, that's the river view. Look, it's very dark at night. Wow.
Some location more like
Oh wow.
locate.
That's crazy. Look at that infinity pool. So this is just to open, like you can go anytime? Or is there like a restriction?
No, actually they close at 10 p.m. But
That's late.
view is here.
Oh my god, I didn't even look on this side. Look at that view.
Same side.
Oh wow. That's landmark 89 and
Landmark
things.
81.
Yeah, 81.
Sorry, because we.
I'm so uncultured. Sorry. So crazy. That's a really high railing, you know.
In Tet holiday and some holiday, the government have firework.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
The residents here gather together and celebrate together.
Wow.
Very nice.
That's crazy. That's a whole city line there. I do love it, you know.
Sauna room.
Okay.
Sauna room in the bathroom.
There's a sauna room as well. Really like the views of this place.
Yeah.
It's like a resort. It's really
Yeah,
Yeah.
literally.
different. Both the bedrooms are there.
Yeah. Oh, it's similar. Just I think that decorated differently. Could I walk around? Is that okay?
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Okay, you can come down.
Thank you. Oh, this one's similar views to the other one as well. It's the same
Yeah.
bit, isn't it?
Oh, this is what we can see online. That's the dust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that one just air out, basically like ventilation. That's nice. Yeah. Could I just pop outside as well?
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, same. It's the other one.
Oh,
It's literally just one up
Yeah.
from the other one.
We also have some facilities inside.
Oh, peek.
It's like have a table, sofa for a guest.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
And this is the main lobby.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. Ping pong table and that. Oh look, waterfall feature as well. That's nice. Do you want me to win you one? Yeah, look. Fruits machine.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a little kiddie pot. That's nice. That's a nice feature. Do you feel like this is home?
Could be.
So the last apartment review was 17 mil. Now we got another one in the building next to it. It's a much bigger building, but this one it feels a bit more local resident.
Yeah.
It's still quite vibrant but peaceful at the same time.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Yeah, it's not like a rowdy vibe. Like you can see local walking around and kids and stuff like that. Oh look, there's 7-Eleven there.
Oh, that's handy.
Literally down the road.
Market as well.
Yeah. So you can see the difference. This one is that they don't actually have a dedicated lobby. It's all like open plan. But look at the feature though. It's quite nice outside.
Imagine you're clumsy and just get in the water.
It'll be you. This building feels a lot more local. You can see like kids and local hanging out, which is really nice. But it's not bad because the office is open plan, so there's no actual main lobby. There's only the lift right here, so it's not too bad because
You
out in
kind
the
of
open
just like
space.
get into your apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little square.
Then you have like a little park outside.
Thank you.
It's very wide, isn't it?
Yeah. How much is this one?
13 million.
30. Oh, this one's cheap.
Yeah.
13 million.
Decoration is not nice.
Oh, I'm telling. Wait, we're on a 33rd floor. Oh my god, it's really high up.
But it depends on the style of the current of the tenant.
Are we walking our shoes in? Do we have to take our shoes?
No.
Oh, okay.
Is it 2 bed, 2 bath as well?
Yeah, two bed,
Okay.
2 bath. But the size is around 65 square meter.
Okay. What's the other one that we haven't seen that?
Also 65.
Also same. Okay.
It's from the same constructor investor, so that's why the layout is the same.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't see the landmark on this side. Is that ensuite as well? Yeah. Layout pretty much the same. Just this one feel a bit older. Oh, there's a tank. There's a fish tank. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's very
Interesting.
yeah. I mean, obviously because it hasn't got cleaning and stuff like that, but it feels like it's well worn. It's not as new as the other property. Oh, they said you're not allowed. You want to press it and I'll push? Oh.
Okay.
Right. So it's the same, isn't it, with the barbecue? They do have a nice view on the rooftop, isn't it?
Because it's higher.
Yeah, you can see literally.
That's why.
This is what we like here.
Yeah.
Also, in this facility, there's like 4 or 5 different buildings in here. There's like a few 7-Eleven, GS25 just down the road, just there as well.
Ooh.
I do like this area.
Do you know what? It's quite peaceful.
Yeah, well, the building just then that we went to view River Panorama, it's a lot more
Family.
family. Yes, a
Yeah.
lot of kids and family around, so not as quiet.
It's a higher apartment.
Yeah, much higher
Yeah,
apartment
it's-
than where we
so
stay. 'cause
One of
look,
the apartments that we looked at was 33.
yeah,
which was very high.
Yeah, that
But it
was like
didn't feel
almost on
like
the
it,
top. Yeah, I think that's Sky 89 there, and this is a 2 block of river
it's like the all
panorama.
kind of together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna grab a drink and then head back home.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's enough apartment hunting for today. Let us know which one is your favorite.
And which one
this
would you
episode.
choose?
Yes, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.